In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Google Maps GPS signal lost error on Android. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, you want to simply go ahead and restart and refresh. So restart your phone to clear temporary glitches and toggle airplane mode on right over here, and then turn it off after 10 seconds and then off to refresh the network. What you want to do, the other thing is going to be by heading into settings, and you want to simply go ahead and look for location settings. Once you're on location settings, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on see all, and then you want to simply go ahead and locate your Google application and click on allow. Make sure that is always turned on, and on location services right over here, make sure that location accuracy is turned on. Then all you need to do now is simply restart your phone and everything should be fixed. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.